everyone, this is Leanne with createdbyleanne.blogspot.com, and today I'd like to share with you a stamping technique called triple time stamping. I'm going to be using one of my Creative Time stamp set. It's called Treats for My Sweet, and I'm going to use the sentiment "Have a Spooktacular Day," the spider web, and the little spider. To get started, I have cut 3 pieces of cardstock. My first layer is cut at 2 by 3 1/4. My second layer is cut at 3 by 4 1/4, and my last layer is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. Then I've cut, out of black cardstock, I've cut a mat for each one of my layers, and my first mat is cut at 2 1/4 by 3 1/2. My second mat is cut at 3 1/4 by 4 1/2, and my last mat is cut at 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. We're going to leave them sitting right here because I don't need them right now. I'm going to take my smallest layer, and I want to go ahead and I want to stamp my sentiment onto the center. Okay, so now that I've got that stamped, I want to turn it over and put just a little bit of adhesive, not much. I'm going to take some of the stickiness away, and I want to center it onto my second layer. Then I want to take, and I want to flip this over, add just a little bit of adhesive to the back of this one, take away some of the stickiness, and I'm going to add it to my last layer. Now once you get them place where you want them, you can start your stamping. And here, this is what I'm going to be using, the little spider web. I'm going to stamp it randomly onto the card. Now you'll see there's a little line in between, but don't worry about that. We'll fix that here in a minute. So you will continue to just keep stamping. To save some time though, I have gone ahead and I've got one already finished. So the next thing, once you get your stamping done, you're going to take the layers apart carefully. And we're going to take the smallest layer and get the smallest mat. And we're going to glue those two together. Now we're going to take our second layer that we stamped, and we're going to glue this down with some adhesive. Oops. We're going to match that up where you see where I stamped. I'm going to line it up. Okay, now we're going to take our next mat, and we're going to glue this to it. Now that we've got that done, I'm going to take this and I'm going to glue it to my last layer. Again, taking it and we're going to line it up where we stamped. Making sure each corner is lined up. Okay. So now we're going to take that and glue it to our last layer, or our last mat. Okay, so now that we've got that done, the only thing we like is putting it to or gluing it to our card base. Okay, and there we are. There it is, finished. Thanks for watching, and you have a great day. Bye-bye.